channel. Today we are going to MacRitchie Trail and we are going to hike. And it's so excited. I can't wait. Are you ready? Let's go. The first time. So you have to wear a proper dress for hiking, just like that. See, this is a proper dress for hiking. Let's go. Did you see that small bag? I will tell. Did you see that? These all are the basic things which we needed for hiking. Now we got out from the MRT. Now we started our hiking. You know, friends, I saw monster lizard, hen turtles, monkeys, butterflies, and lots of birds. I had only 3 kilometers walk. After the walk, now you can see I'm resting with my papa with this beautiful view. We reached Marymount. Now we are going to Serangoon and back. Hope you like my video. I request my friends to go for a walk with your family on holidays. I truly enjoyed it. Really refreshing. See you next time. Bye. I love you.